Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Another day in my paradise. This is Shweta. Today we will be going to make eggless cake rusk using semolina, which makes the recipe healthy and tasty. So let's jump into the recipe. In a bowl, I'm taking half cup of curd. Make sure curd should not be sour. And now I'm adding half cup of sugar. Curd and sugar should be in equal amount. I'm taking granulated sugar. You can take any type of sugar. And now I will whisk it properly so that sugar will dissolve completely. After that, I'm adding 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can take vegetable oil or ghee also. Now give it a good mix so that oil will mix completely. Now I'm adding 1 cup of semolina. And now goes 2 tablespoons of wheat flour followed by 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Milk powder is completely optional, you can skip it. Now goes 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. At this point you can add any flavor of your choice. If you want to add elaichi powder, then you can add it, or you can add some vanilla essence also. Now I am mixing the batter by using cut and fold method. Basically what you have to do, you have to fold the batter like this, and then you have to give a cut in between, and then again you will be going to fold it. After mixing it properly, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, and again I will be going to mix the mixture by using cut and fold method. Consistency of the batter should not be too flowy or too thick. And now I will be going to pour the batter into a greased pan. I'm using butter paper. You can also grease the pan by using oil or ghee. I will also mention each and every detail of baking it on gas in my description box. So if you are baking on gas, you can check it out. In order to remove the air bubbles, I am tapping the pan. And now it's time to bake. Bake it at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 35 minutes. You can also bake it on gas in the same way you bake cake. After 35 minutes, cake is ready. I'm checking whether the cake is cooked completely or not by using toothpick. It comes out clean, that means my cake is ready. If the cake is not ready, then you can bake the cake for another 5 minutes. And now we have to leave the cake to cool down completely. Now my cake is completely cooled down. So now I will be cutting it into pieces. And now flip it and remove the butter paper. Now I will give a cut at the center. Look how beautifully it is baked, so airy from inside. We will remove the side edges of the cake because these are hard. And now I am giving it a rectangular shape. At this point, you can save some of the cake because this tastes amazing. And the good thing is that these are healthy also. After cutting the cake into pieces, it's time to bake now. I'm keeping all the pieces in a baking tray. Now it's time to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, we'll take out the tray and now I am flipping all the rusk. After flipping, again we have to bake it for 15 minutes. This is very necessary to bake it from both sides so that it will become crispy. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. After taking it out from the oven, let it completely cool down, otherwise it will become soft. Rusk are completely cooled down and become crispy, and now these are ready to store. This is very simple and healthy recipe. You must give a try to it. And thank you for watching. We'll be back with another recipe soon. Bye bye.